Yo, hello everyone and welcome back again to a brand new video. Need to remove a task? Don't worry about it. In this quick guide, you will learn and we will show you how to delete a card in Trello in just a few clicks. So guys, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So, a lot of time, guys, you just feel like a task is no longer important to be done and you want to simply delete it from your board. So how can we do that? In this video, you will learn all of this. So let's first open one of our boards. I'm going with this one. There we go. And as you can see here, I have already many cards. In case you don't know how to create a board, I'm gonna explain to you again, guys, since I'm explaining this in every single video. So you do this, you do that, and simply give it a name and the board will be created. Now the list is here, which gonna have our tasks. Let's name this list to-do list. And here you have this card. I'm gonna name it card 1. Let's add another card 2 and card 3. Now let's say that, for example, there is the ongoing here and done. So let's say that you have been working on these 3 cards, or basically there's 3 tasks. So ongoing, then it became done, ongoing, then done, ongoing, and done. So mainly these 3 cards are done and they should no longer be here, since every day, for example, we are updating the list for something new. So what should we do exactly to clear it up? Now what you'll have to click is basically go and hover on the task and click on the pen, or basically click here. Once you do that, you will find all of these lists. So this list, first of all, will have a lot of things such as basically the members, etc. Make sure that you have cleared up everything, since the task will have, for example, members, they will have checklists. Make sure that everything here is being deleted, just like that. And once you feel like you don't no longer need it, click on this and basically try to remove the name. Now if you try to remove the name itself, it will not work, as you saw. So if you try to remove the name, it will not really work. Will make what you wanted to do. Why so? Because deleting it will not work by saving this like that, so it will not save. Also, if you try to move it out of the space, it will not be done. So the card is basically created and you can no longer delete it. Well, there is a solution, which is by archiving it. So you can click here and archive it. Now this is not totally deleted, since you still have the card somewhere hidden within the board, but it is currently one of the solutions that with it you can delete the cards. So you can do it from both sides, outside and inside. So you can archive it, but once you archive it from the inside, you will be able to delete it. So this is something that you should note, is basically if you archive it from the outside, you will no longer find it. It is deleted basically. But if you went into it, then archive it, and then deleted it, well, then yes, this is how it's basically done. So this is the correct method. So if you did the thing, which, let me just card 1, card 2, card 3. So if you did archive it from the outside, it's simply gonna be hidden, but not completely deleted. But if you did click on the thing, then archive it, and then basically delete it, this will basically remove every action and everything within the card, or basically within the list or the task that you want to delete itself. So it's pretty easy, guys, nothing much complicated. Also, you can save time simply, like these people would want to delete also this thing, which is basically the list itself. Well, you can move the list, you can do a lot of things. And at the same thing, you can archive the list itself. So you can archive this list, which basically will archive it. You can undo it like that. And also there is a shortcut in case you had like you wanted to delete every single card or task in it. You can simply click right here, archive all cards in this list, archive cards, and everything will be archived. Once again, this is archiving, not deleting. In case you wanted to do so, then you have to click on every single card or task and delete it manually by yourself. And that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you do have any more questions or problems, make sure to mention them in the comment section down below. If you do so, we'll try to answer you as quick as possible. And if there is any more topics that you want us to talk about in Trello and any other platform or app, make sure to mention it so we can know what you want us to do in the future videos and what interested you the best. So thank you guys a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial. Bye bye.